Welcome to PPT Dynamics. So today we are going to see how to create handwriting text effect using Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So let's begin. So here I'm going to press the enter key, and as I will select layout to be the blank layout. Okay, now I am going to insert a shape that is going to be the rectangle. Okay, and let's insert the shape. Basically we have to cover the whole cell. Okay, now we'll go to the shape fill, which is going to be black color, and the transparency we are going to set around 75%. All right, now in the next step I am going to insert the text box. So let's insert the text box, and here we'll just write PPT Dynamics here. Okay, so the color of the text is going to be, the font color is going to be this yellow color. Okay, and let's increase the size. Okay, now we have to select the font. Okay, so I am going to select this font, and let's increase more. All right, perfect. Now we will go to the shapes option. Okay, shape format, and in the shape format I'm going to align center, then I'm going to align middle. All right, perfect. Now we'll go to the text option here, and in the text option we'll go to the effect options, and in the 3D format, so first of all I am going to change the lightning. So lightning, I'm going to select the warm lightning. Okay, the material I am going to select from the special effect, the soft edge. All right, and here now I am going to change the width to 7 points approximately. All right, so perfect. Okay, so now we have the text. The text is ready. Now we need another thing, that is a quill. So I am basically going to copy it from here only. So Control C, and here I'm going to press Control V. Here we have the quill. So right now I am going to select none animation. Okay, and I'm going to place it over here. In the next step, now we have to give the animations to the text and the quill pen. So here first of all let's give the animation to the text. Okay, so the animation that I'm going to give is the fade animation. All right, so let's open the animation pane. In the animation pane, we'll go to the drop down menu, start with preview, drop down menu, go to the effect options, animate text by letter. Okay, and the delay between letters, for this kind of animation I'm going to select 60%. All right, and the duration, let's change it to 1.75. all right, perfect. Let's have a preview. So like this it is going to happen. All right, approximately it takes around 10 seconds. Okay, so now we have to give animation to this quill also. So what kind of animation we are going to give? We will give this custom path. Okay, and in the custom path, if you want, you can select the line, or you will select the scribble option. You can select the scribble option also. So I will go for the line only. So I'm going to start from the here. Okay, so at regular intervals you will have to click. Okay, so basically we have to follow the same path as of the text. like this. So as if we are writing with the pen. So wherever there is a curve, so go for small areas. After each and every curve, click. Okay, so for the straight lines, you can take a longer turn. Click here. Okay, again here there is a curve, so we'll click on every curve. Okay, so now we have given a path to the quill. Okay, now let's adjust it over here. Now we'll go to the drop down menu and select start with preview. Again we are going to the drop down menu. We'll go to the effect options, and in the effect options the smooth start is going to be none and the smooth end is also going to be none. If you want, you can give the bounce end for 2 seconds. Duration for this animation is going to be 10 seconds. Alright, now let's have a preview once.